Zapier bot to Google Chat. Hey everyone, want to send automated updates to your team right in Google Chat? Adding the Zapier bot lets you do just that without writing a single line of code. Step 1. Open Google Chat and pick a direct message or space where you want your bot. Step 2. Click the Find Apps icon. Search for Zapier in the Google Workspace Marketplace and click Installs on the Zapier for Google Chat listing. Step 3. Once added, type Allow Zaps in a direct message or at Zapier. Allow Zaps as in a space to authorize your bot. Step 4. Sign in with your Google Workspace account and click to allow Zaps when prompted to connect Zapier to chat. Now you're all set. Just head over to Zapier, choose Google Chat as an action in your Zap. Pick the space you set up and start sending automated messages to keep your team in the loop. Thanks for watching.